Okay, so the arch of a stone bridge has the shape of a parabola that is 20 feet wide. No, that is 20 feet wide at the water line. So at the water line, that's kind of where the water is under the bridge, and rises to its highest point 8 feet above the water. Suppose the vertex of the parabola is at the origin. So this is going to be the vertex. Don't allow paste. And then let's write an equation for the parabola. So we know that it goes down 8 feet. So we're going to go down here, right? And then it goes, there's 20 feet apart, right? So that it's 20 feet wide. So the arch has a shape that is 20 feet wide at the water line. So 20 feet means that it goes from positive 10 to negative 10. All right, and I can erase this. All right, and so then we have a parabola that kind of looks like this. And if you imagine, this is kind of like our bridge, if you will. All right, and the water's flowing underneath. So write an equation for this parabola. Now, y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. Because our origin's at 0, 0, this becomes y is equal to a times x minus 0 squared plus 0. But we don't need to write the 0, 0, so it's just y is equal to a x squared. Now we actually have a point here, 2 points that we can choose from. But I'm going to use this one, 10 comma negative 8. And I can actually plug this in. So my y value is negative 8 is equal to a times 10 squared. And I can use this to solve for the a. Negative 8 is equal to 100 times a. 100 a. Divide by 100, divide by 100. A is equal to negative 8 over 100, which then is simplifies down to negative 2 over 25. So I can actually write my equation on for space. I'll do it down here. Is y is equal to negative 2 over 25 x squared. All right. So this is part of my answer in part A. Now, if the water level falls from 8 feet to 18 feet below the highest point, how wide is the parabola at the new water line? So now our new y is no longer 8, it's negative 8 is negative 18. It's equal to negative 2 over 25 x squared. So I would just multiply by negative 25 over 2 and negative 25 over 2. And when I do that, that becomes negative 9 times 25, which is equal to 225 is equal to x squared. Now I do square root, so x is equal to 15 or negative 15, right? And so my two coordinates are going to be 15 comma negative 18 or negative 15 comma negative 18. Now the distance between 15 and negative 15 is 30 feet. So it is 30 feet wide, and that is our answer.